Hi everyone, recently I bought this milling machine. Bought it second hand and it's a great little machine. It should be just ideal for what I want to do. But it just has manual feeds, so you just have to turn it by hand to manually work it. You can buy an auto feed unit that just bolts onto these two bolts here. And then connect up to power and you can do auto feed. But I thought, well, I've got an old drill here and I thought, well, why don't I have a go at making an auto feed unit myself. So I've got started and I'll show you what I've done. I got this bicycle, it's actually off a bicycle gear, and I've turned up a piece of steel in the middle there, bolted it up, and so this here fits on here. It's there like that. And what I thought I'd do is I've got this old DeWalt drill, and I've made up this sprocket onto an old bolt that I turned down on the lathe. I'm going to put that in there. And then I've got this bracket here that I've made, and somehow I'm going to make that drive a chain onto that sprocket. So it should give me variable speeds. The old DeWalt drill. This drill unfortunately has been decommissioned because it's actually jammed on the hammer setting, so it's not much good as using for a drill anymore, but it should be fine doing this. It gives me two speeds, and obviously being variable speed, you can go pretty slow or pretty quick, so I should have a good range of speeds, I think. So I now need to make a bracket up to mount the drill off this face here. Get into it, Well, I had to change out this cog for this one here. For some reason this little cog, it just kept on catching on the chain, so it's clearly not quite the right cog for the chain, but she's all finished. And made this little thing up here, so just twist this. Probably goes a little bit faster than what I would really like, but one day we'll probably need to gear it down a little bit. That's the slowest I can go, but seems to work pretty well. So far it's cost me absolutely nothing, just made it out of bits and scrap from the workshop and an old bicycle chain and bicycle cogs that I had sitting around. It seems to work pretty good. Obviously it has forward and reverse, and if I wanted to I can make it go quite fast, so it's got rapid feed. Obviously it doesn't have auto stop, but never mind. Now to have a go at milling something with it. Well, I'd have to say that works really good, better than I expected. How long the drill's going to last with it running in slow mode like that, I don't know, but for the meantime, it's only an old drill anyway, so I don't really care too much. But yeah, man, I am super stoked with it. Cost me nothing and saved me $600 buying a new one, so probably should pull it all apart and give it a paint up and tidy up and keep on using it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.